Memories of the Copperhead Creek Railroad, Volume 4. A train meet in Copperhead Creek. Number 1099, crossing the Marston Falls Trestle. The 1099 was a 1903 product of the Baldwin Locomotive Works for the L&N. Number 56, switching out the Walton Copper Mine. Number 311 and number 56, top and tail a copper train through Spindletop. The mine, tipple, and town here would be abandoned by 1958. The Copperhead Cannonball arrives at Auburn early in the morning. Note the Southern Railway RPO in tow, a normal occurrence on the first run of the day. Number 450 lugs a copper drag across the Watauga River Trestle, the engineer taking the opportunity to blow down the boiler and give the camera a show. Tennessee Copper Company No.3 takes over a copper train at the Lone Pine Hill interchange, transporting the copper onward to the smelter.